Hey y'all, look at Jackson. Welcome back to the channel. All right, it's Sunday and we're getting ready for Sunday suppers. We have gone to Sunday suppers now because Jackson has soccer on Saturdays and it's a later because he's older. He plays the last game. And so, hold on, somebody's texting me. Okay, sorry y'all, I had to take a call. So now that Jackson has soccer on Saturdays, we can't do Saturday suppers because it puts us getting home right around the time that we would be fixing the meal. And I don't have time to fix the meal because I teach in the mornings, and then some Saturdays I teach a second class. It's my members meeting is twice a month. Move, Wayne. And so I have to focus on that. And that takes me pretty much out till about 1 o'clock. And then I got to get Jackson situated. So we just decided to move Sunday to Sunday brunch, which we typically do about 2 or 2:30. So it's about 2:35. No, it's 2:10. Sorry, 2:10. We're just getting home and we have to do a little bit of clean up. And so sister's in the bathroom, cleaning the bathroom. Sister, hey sister. Hey girl, hey. Sister is always about cleaning the bathroom. She doesn't mind doing it. And so we just let that be her job. And then Jackson helps in the kitchen. So we provide the sides. My friend provides the chicken. And she'll usually bring a salad. She just likes bringing stuff. Remember what I said. Nobody is required to bring anything. This is our jam. This is our thing. We want you to come and just be here. So, but she wants to bring the chicken. So we're having spaghetti squash because we're doing a pantry clean out. And I am going to be cleaning. Sister put the spaghetti squash in the microwave. And so I'm going to make a sauce for it. I made some homemade pesto and I've got some, let me get that lighting together. I've got some sausage in there that I'm actually going to use to make a sausage pesto type of sauce to go on top. Gonna be green, and we're gonna use that to go along with the chicken. Jackson's having some kind of patties or something. Is what he wanted. I've got some peppers that I need to grind to make some pepper seasoning, and I'm getting ready for a green smoothie, 10-day green smoothie fast. And so I've got to get those items prepped so I can be ready to go to work in the morning. Anywho, we just thought you wanted to hang out with us to see what we got going on. I'm sweeping the floor right now, and we'll bring you back in just a sec. All right, y'all, here are the green smoothie ingredients. This is a 10-day smoothie fast that I'm doing. And so I have baby carrots. You can snack on carrots. So I have snack carrots. Cucumbers are a snack you can have. Apples, I bought those. Coconut water, I didn't want to just do regular water, so I picked this up. I'm going to try it. I don't know if I like it or not, but I'm going to give it a try. Bananas I bought. I got almonds and walnuts. I meant to just get regular almonds. I don't even like walnuts. Lord have mercy. Stevia sweetener because I didn't have any of that. I got 10 bags of spinach, 2 smoothies a day, and a meal. I got pistachios, almonds, chia seeds for sister, flax seeds for me. And then we got the berry medley, cherry blend, strawberry banana blend, a tropical blend, and a mango blend. So I'm going to make 2 smoothies a day and 1 good meal. So that's what I picked up for the smoothie cleanse. Now we just got to put all that in the fridge. All right, y'all. We're outside. Well, we're going outside. Come on, Mom. We're going outside. And my kids do not enjoy the garden. I enjoy outside when it's not hot. I don't mind being outside. It don't matter. But we are, come on, best girls. I've got something that's eating my doggone beans. Oh, I got beans. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm putting y'all down. Hold on. BRB, y'all. Hold on. I feel it in the heat of the night, spirit. In the heat of the night. Okay. I got trouble, wall to wall. Okay, quit eating stuff, Brenda. So I'm going to, I've got some beans. I did a late planting of beans, and I see a few, so I'm going to pick them off because I want to eat them. There's a couple here. They're young beans, so we haven't had our first frost yet, so I'm just going to take these young beans off. This was my attempt to put up a netting or a trellis. It didn't go so well. I'm going to see if Mr. Jerome can put something up here for me next year, next season. Bubba, go. I need a, what's your name? A bucket. I need a bucket. Because I got stuff coming and I need to get them off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. These are good beans. Again, they're young beans, but I'm taking them. It's not many, but I'll take them. Not a ton. I think I have a crunchy munchy caterpillar that's crunching and munching. I've got basil as well. And then I know for sure that I have some peppers, because we had lunchbox peppers coming the other week when we were out here. Gotta water. My celery is looking a little rough. Gotta water. Okay. Move, Gwen. Gwen is a true garden dog. Ooh, lunchbox peppers are looking nice. Looking very nice. Okay. All the peppers, y'all. All the peppers are here. I'm gonna weed real quick, and then we're going to get that. We're going to get the garlic planted. So I'm gonna pick peppers, and then we're gonna water. We want to water real well. Okay, these look like jalapenos to me. Or maybe they're lunch boxes. I think those are lunchbox peppers as well, but they're not ready. But these are. Oh my goodness. They're too heavy, that's why they're breaking. Are these jalapenos? Lunchbox peppers. So if we got moving here and picking, we would be done. Instead of just standing around and looking. That's not helpful at all. Brenda Ann, what are you eating? Look over there, Jackson. For peppers. Oh. And they still produce. Look at it. Flowers. Behind you. That was it. Behind you.
Fall season is upon us. That means it's time to prep these beds for the winter planting. I know everyone isn't a backyard gardener, but I think in light of recent events with weather and all types of disastrous things happening, it's smart and wisdom to be able to be self-sustaining. That's our goal here on FaithWorks Farmstead, to be able to provide what we need in case of any types of emergencies or unforeseen things. So we make preparation now. Within a few days from now, we'll be able to plant into this soil so that the soil will produce for us the things that we'll be eating over the next few months, few weeks, and few years to come. Wisdom says, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Y'all be blessed now.